In this guide, I'll show you how to send a PDF using Gmail on your laptop or PC. If this video helps you, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Before we begin, make sure you watch the entire tutorial without skipping, as every step is important. First, locate the PDF file that you want to send. Once it's ready, open your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser, but I'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. Next, open Gmail. You can either visit mail.google.com directly or go to google.com and click the Gmail button in the top right corner. Once Gmail loads, click the Compose button in the top left corner to create a new email. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. You can also select a contact if it appears in the suggestions. If Gmail automatically adds a signature and you don't want to include it, simply delete it. Now, enter a subject for your email and type your message in the email body. When you're ready to attach your PDF, click the paperclip icon next to the Send button. This is the Attach Files option. Browse to the location where your PDF is saved. In this example, my PDF is on the desktop, so I'll select it and click Open. Wait a few moments while the file uploads. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the PDF attached to your email. After checking that everything looks correct, click the Send button to send your email with the PDF attachment. And that's all there is to it. Your PDF has now been sent successfully through Gmail.